Yes, skincare is a cult. If you enter, there is no coming out. Hello Dana fam, welcome back again to the channel. If you're a new face here and you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Dani Aloha and you're most definitely welcome back to the channel. Please don't make it your last time of seeing this beautiful and amazing face on your screen by clicking on the subscribe button. If you check down below this video, you are going to see a very bright red button. That is the subscribe button. Just click on it and you are subscribed. To subscribe is absolutely free. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, okay? So let's dive right into today's video. As you can currently see on the screen, I am battling with acne on my face. So these tips I'm going to share with you now are some of the tips that have been working for me. If you are new to this channel, I've mentioned it before that what I have currently on my face is hormonal acne, okay? So it's not like acne that was caused by cream or anything that some people would think is actually caused by hormones. So my hormones are like raging and ravaging. That's why I have this on my face. But then that's not what we're going to talk about today. You want your skin to be glowing and you don't know where to start from. These few tips I'm about to share are very beginner friendly. If you're about to get into the cult of skincare, these are some of the few tips that will be very helpful to you. Yes, skincare is a cult. If you enter, there is no coming out. You enter into skincare cults. My sister, it's only the Lord that can save you. Everybody wants to have a pure and clear skin. So these tips I'm about to share with you are very easy, beginner friendly tips for anyone that is about to start your skincare journey. So let's just dive right into the video. The first beginner skincare tips that I would like to share with you today is know your skin type, so you will know the kind of moisturizer that is good for you. You have the oily, the dry skin, and the combination skin. So these three type of skin has different kind of moisturizer that will work for you. This is like the first and the most important one. Know your skin type. You have to know your skin type so that you will not end up buying different kind of products, okay? So you know your skin type so that you will know the kind of moisturizer that is good for you. Moisturizing your skin cannot be overly emphasized. So know the type of skin that you have so that you know the kind of moisturizer that you can get that will suit your skin. So the second tip here is do not use your body products on your face. Never do that, okay? Don't do that. Your body soap, your body wash for your face, it's an abomination in the skincare world. With any product that you're using for your body, do not use it for your face. Your face has different skin texture, so whatever that works for your body might not work exactly perfectly well for your face. If you're among those few lucky ones that can use the same products for your face and body, well, the Lord has done you well, okay? But I would not recommend you to use the products that you're using for your body for your face. We have facial soaps, facial wash, facial creams, serums, and all of that. So there are different types that you can use on your face that will work for you. Please, I repeat again, do not use your body products for your face. Don't do it. The next tip I would like to share with you is scrub your body at least twice in a week. When you scrub, you exfoliate your skin and you remove dead skin cells from your skin that will enable any products that you are using to work perfectly on your skin and gives your skin this glow. So you don't want to be applying products on dull skin. It doesn't work that way. You won't see the effect of the products that you're using, no matter how expensive they are. If you do not exfoliate your skin, you will not get the maximum from your products. So the least you can do is make sure you scrub twice a week. To get maximum results, you can actually scrub 3 times a week. In those 3 days I'm going to scrub my skin in a week, I prefer doing it at night so that all the products that I want to use, they will just sit on my skin and penetrate into the skin and do its work. So yes, please make sure you scrub your skin, you exfoliate your skin 3 times a week, at least twice a week. It's very good for you to avoid dull skin do that. Okay, the next tip here: sunscreen. Yes, sunscreen. Like, you don't need me to say too much. If you're dealing with hyperpigmentations, you're dealing with dark spots, you're dealing with any discoloration in any part of your body, make sure you use sunscreen. There are different kind of sunscreen. You can just try them out, okay, and choose the one that is suitable for your skin. So before I continue this video, if there are some tips that you would also like to share with me, please do not hesitate to share with me in the comment section. I like to learn from you guys, so please share with me in the comment section if there are some tips you are currently using that are working for you, or there are some tips that I mentioned that you don't really agree with. Share with me in the comment section. I would really appreciate it. So the next tip I'd like to share with you is all your skincare products should not contain lightening ingredients. Yes, I don't know how to say it, but like, you do not need lightening soap, lightening cream, lightening shower gel. You're using whitening scrub, whitening bar soap, whitening shower gel, whitening cream, whitening face cream. There is nothing you're using to moisturize. You're just using whitening product. Like, all your skin care range of products are just whitening, lightening. Sis, you are doing more harm than good for your skin. Okay, there is something called wearing out your skin barrier. So if you use too much lightening and you are not protecting your skin barrier, at first your skin will be, like sparkling and glowing and all of that, but just from there it will spiral down. Like, you just go down and you will start wondering, what is wrong with my skin? Well, this product was working for me, or my skin was going all well, and all of a sudden this and this is happening. Is because you are using too many lightening ingredients. You are using a lightening product. Please do well to use something that will moisturize your skin in between days of the weeks. You can choose 3 days to use your whitening product, and you can choose the remaining 4 days to use your moisturizing product, so that you will not wear out your skin barrier. The next tip here I'll be sharing with you is do not use body sponge on your face. Please don't do that. Even after washing your face, do not use your body towel to clean your face. It's a no-no. You can get paper towels that you can use to dry your face, especially if you have acne prone skin like mine. You want to do everything possible to minimize acne causing bacteria from giving you more problems. Like me, I don't dry my face. When I come out from the bathroom, I do other of my body skincare routine and wait for my face to dry up. But if you don't have the time to wait for that, you can always get paper towels for your face. You can get a different or a specific towel that you use for just your face. You don't share it or you don't use it on other parts of your body. Okay, that one is just for your face. Before I share the last tip with you, please, if you have watched this video to this point and you are yet to subscribe, I don't know what you are waiting for. Definitely you are enjoying this video, so please do well to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Okay, last tip I'll be sharing with you today is whatever you do for your face, do onto your ears and your neck. If you have a 10-step face routine, a 15-step face routine, please, that 15th step, do it for your neck and your ears to keep the same energy for your neck and your ears. You don't want your face to be another shade, your ears are another shade, and your neck another shade. And before I just round up, let me just add this bonus one. This bonus one is when you are scrubbing, okay, or when you are bathing, please pay special attention to all those highly pigmented areas in your body. I'm talking about your knuckles, your elbows, your knees, your ankles, those dark areas between your thighs, your back, in between your butt cheeks, all those like hidden places that are prone to being darker than other parts of your body. Concentrate in those places when you are scrubbing, when you are applying your body lotions, your moisturizers. Please pay special attention to it, especially when you are scrubbing. Scrub those places very well. We have come to the end of this video today. If this video was helpful to you, want more of this kind of content, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.